Hello, my name is Bakar El Said El Hassal, and this is my lovely imported wife.
I'm Natasha from Russia.
Woman, you're not allowed to talk. And today we go shopping. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do, sir.
That is very nice. My lovely companion here,
Natasha.
she wants to have a nice bag.
Sure. You have something in mind particularly, or?
Something expensive.
Sure. I have exactly what you're looking for.
What, a bag or something expensive? Just tell me, is there a shop where they sell halal?
Not here, behind the station.
In Arabian? Ah, inshallah wa mashallah. Well, thank you very much, sir. I'm going to enjoy it. If it's not good, I will complain.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Shoes, maybe?
Shoes.
They're shoes.
Why are all the women so complicated, I wonder? Yeah. I mean, do you wear yellow as a color for your clothes?
You're not obliged to wear yellow in order to wear the bag. You can wear like black colors or white or gray.
The thing is, in Qatar, you know, you just put on brown, white, black.
I can put my dog into my dog. No,
Yeah.
my dog. I can put my
How
dog.
big it is?
It's Chihuahua.
Put in, of course. You have
I'm sorry, Natasha, but it is way too expensive to put a Chihuahua in there.
Oh no.
That's the piece I wanted to show you.
Oh no, but it's in black. No,
Why not?
no, it's too. It looks a bit cheap, I think.
Cheap.
Yeah, a bit.
It's 9,000 euros.
Solin, an den Schweiz zu Lützeburg wirklich eng Balustrecken, wenn ich wirklich besser von Kledin Katari an Kenner über Butiger ran.
Alles saufen.